Okay guys, so today's Jamaica treat is Jamaica beef patty. Everywhere I go, people always ask me about the patty them. So today I'll show you how I prepare it for my family. Okay, follow me. So I already have the flour in the bowl. Now I'm gonna add the baking powder, salt, and sugar to it. Next I'm adding some turmeric and curry powder. This is basically to give the dough its color. Some people just use turmeric, but I like the flavor that the curry gives it, okay? Next I'm just adding the butter, and then I'm going to break this up. Next I'm going to add the buttermilk a little at a time and just keep mixing it until the dough has formed. So this is the dough. I'm going to put this in the fridge. So now I'm going to prepare the filling. I'm going to use ground beef. I'm going to add all-purpose. I'm going to add garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and little ginger to it. So I have a Jamaican Dutch pot. We're going to pour some canola oil in it, and then we're going to saute the fresh seasoning what I have. I have some chopped onion, garlic, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Next I'm adding some soy sauce and ketchup. So I cooked the beef until it was brown. I added some browning and some breadcrumbs just to absorb. So this is what the cooked beef looks like. So next, I just going to roll the dough to get it flat so I can add the filling to it and also add some butter to it so that the crust will be flaky. Now we'll fold it in half. So the final step now, I'm just sealing the edges with the egg mixture and then just give it a stick with the fork. So guys, so this is the finished product, Jamaica beef patty. As you can see, I can't even wait for the video to be finished to get into it. It is so good. Look, try it. Let me know if you like it, okay? One love.